Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can access Google Chat for the first time. Okay, let's get started. Make sure that you have Google Chat installed on your phone. And after you have installed the Google Chat, you can open the Google Chat. And this is the Google Chat application. So just tap on it to access the Google Chat. Alright, and this is my room chat. And if you want to create new room chat, we can click on new chat right here. And if you want to create group chat on Google Chat, you can simply click on spaces button. And then you can click on new space right here to create new group chat. And I'm going to go back to the room chat. And if you want to chat someone on our Google Chat, we just need to click on the account like this. And you can type your message right here. And you can click on send button to send the message. Okay, and we can also add status to our group Google Chat. We can click on this button, then we can tap on add a status right here. And if you want to find someone on Google Chat, you can click on the search button. Then you can start to search for the someone that you want to chat. Okay guys, and that's how we can access Google Chat for the first time. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.